Have you considered the product journey when making sustainable choices in the operating room? The product journey for both single-patient and multi-patient products has many parts, from manufacturing to use, reprocessing, and waste management. However, these only tell one part of the story. We need to go beyond the current narrow focus of CO2 emissions in sustainability assessments to evaluate the environmental, human, and economic impact. In the manufacturing process, there are many implications to consider, such as local water shortages and the processing of raw materials, which can considerably impact the environment. Other considerations include non-renewable energy usage, waste handling, the human and economic impacts, which lack adequate data. There are many cost impacts associated with product use. The use of multi-patient products can lead to cross-contamination and hospital-acquired infections, which can require additional treatment and extended hospital stays for patients. The routine involved in reprocessing multi-patient products contribute to staff workload, hospital-acquired infection, and antimicrobial resistance. For example, the use of laundry facilities and the transport of used multi-patient products can contribute to the spread of antimicrobial resistance. When it comes to waste, generated both inside and outside the OR, we need to understand the impact from single-patient and multi-patient products, such as quality control failures, solid and liquid waste, the physical strain on workers, and more. Importantly, we need to look beyond greenhouse gas emissions. So, in future meetings, ask yourself, have you considered the environmental, human, and economic impact of medical products throughout their life cycle?